Okay, what did she have to do?
Leave it.
Leave it. Right? She's got chicken chips. We got 3, Simon? No. Save that for another time. We don't have a lot of money to pay for all this stuff. Oh, leave it. Luna.
Leave it.
Okay, this keeps her busy, so she doesn't have to keep running around Daddy and begging for food.
She looks exactly at the camera because
she's a star, or because why?
No, because she's waiting for you to say. Well, I'm just gonna say like it's okay. It's
Right, yeah.
go ahead.
Okay, she's waiting so patiently. When do you want to tell her to go?
Okay, good girl.
Good girl. Stay. Good girl, stay. Okay, stay.